BMW engines don't usually fail without warning. They warn you first. The problem is not that BMW engines are unreliable. The problem is that drivers ignore the warnings, delay action, or trust that it will go away. And when it comes to warning lights, time is everything. In this episode, we're exposing why ignoring certain BMW warning lights can turn a small issue into a catastrophic engine failure, and exactly what you should do instead. If you drive a BMW, petrol or diesel, turbo, or naturally aspirated, this video can literally save you thousands. If your goal is to keep your BMW reliable long after the warranty ends, subscribe now. This channel is about engine survival, not hiding problems until it's too late. Now let's talk about the warning lights BMW owners ignore the most and regret later. This is the most misunderstood warning light on any BMW. Many owners think, the car still drives fine, it's probably just a sensor, it'll clear itself. Sometimes they're right, but sometimes they're catastrophically wrong. The check engine light doesn't mean your engine is about to explode. It means the engine is operating outside safe parameters. On BMW engines, this can indicate lean or rich fuel mixtures misfires, turbo boost deviations, vanos, timing issues, emission system faults. Driving with an active CL can cause excessive exhaust temperatures, turbo overheating, catalytic converter damage, long-term piston or valve damage. BMW engines are tightly calibrated. Running out of spec for long periods silently accelerates wear. BMW survival rule: if the check engine light appears and stays on, diagnose it immediately. Ignoring it doesn't buy time. It uses up engine life. This is the one that kills engines fast. Many drivers confuse oil level warnings, oil service reminders, oil pressure warnings. They are not the same thing. If you see an oil pressure warning, it means the engine is not receiving adequate lubrication. Critical components are already at risk. Common causes include low oil level, oil pump issues, bearing where clogged oil pickup, degraded oil. Driving even a few minutes with low oil pressure can cause rod bearing damage, turbo failure, camshaft scoring, complete engine seizure. BMW engines rely on precise oil pressure, especially turbochargers, vanos, systems, timing components. BMW survival rule: if you see an oil pressure warning, stop engine immediately. Do not drive. Do not just get home. That single decision can cost you an entire engine. Diesel BMW owners ignore this one constantly and pay for it later. The diesel particulate filter traps soot and burns it off during regeneration. But regeneration requires sustained driving, correct exhaust temperatures, proper engine conditions. When the DPF warning appears, it means regeneration is failing, soot levels are too high. Common reasons: too many short trips, constant city driving, ignoring previous warnings. If ignored, this leads to forced regeneration attempts, excessive exhaust temperatures, turbo stress, EGR system damage. Eventually, DPF replacement, turbo failure, engine derating or limp mode, and yes, this gets expensive fast. BMW survival rule: if a DPF warning appears, drive the car properly immediately or address the root cause. Ignoring it turns a maintenance issue into a mechanical disaster. BMW engines do not tolerate overheating well. Many modern BMWs don't show gradual temperature increases. They show normal, overheat warning. By the time you see it, damage may already be starting. Overheating causes warped cylinder heads, head gasket failure, turbo, heat damage, oil breakdown. Common triggers include coolant leaks, failing electric water pumps, stuck thermostats, old coolant. BMW cooling systems are efficient until they aren't. BMW survival rule: if you get an overheating warning, shut down as soon as it's safe. Continuing to drive guarantees expensive repairs. This message scares BMW owners, and for good reason. It often indicates engine protection mode, turbo issues, misfires, under load, transmission stress. BMW limits power to prevent damage, not to annoy you. Driving aggressively with this warning active can destroy turbochargers, damage pistons, overstress drivetrain components. BMW survival rule: a drivetrain warning means the car is protecting itself. Respect it and diagnose the issue immediately. BMW owners ignore warnings because the car still feels smooth, power seems normal, no strange noises yet. But BMW engines are very good at hiding internal stress. By the time you feel something wrong, bearings may already be worn, turbos may already be damaged, oil may already be contaminated. BMW doesn't warn you too early. It warns you just in time. Warning lights are not suggestions. They are engine protection alerts. Ignoring them doesn't save money. It postpones the bill and multiplies it. If you want BMW-specific survival guides, diesel, petrol, turbo, maintenance, subscribe now. Upcoming episodes cover turbo survival, overheating myths, driving habits that shorten engine life. Many BMW engines that suddenly failed had warning lights, ignored weeks earlier. Oil pressure damage often happens before noise appears. DPF failures frequently begin months before the dashboard warns you. Modern turbo BMW engines. What not to do if you want them to last.